Hello guys, my name is Jocelyn Flamenco and today we're going to learn the use of do and does. Let's start. We use do or does for questions and answers. Examples. Here we have one question. Do you like soccer? Yes, I do. This is the answer. And the positive answer of the negative will be no, I don't. Let's see examples with that. Does she dance salsa? The answers can be yes, she does in affirmative or no, she does in negative way. Now we're going to learn how to use do and does. We use does for third person, that is he, she, and it. Remember, does for third person, he, she, and it. Now we use do for I, you, we, and they. Okay? Now, the structure that we use for do and does is the following. Do and does are auxiliaries. So, in interrogative form, they are placed at the beginning of the sentence, like this. First, we write the auxiliary that can be do plus I, you, we, or they plus the verb like this. Let's see one example. Do you go plus the complement? Do you go to the park or do you want an ice cream? Now let's see with does. Does first auxiliary plus he, she, or it plus the verb. Does she like soccer? Okay, that is the structure for affirmative sentences. Also, we use do or does for negative sentences. Like this, we use don't for I, we, you, and they, and we use doesn't with the third person, he, she, and it. Don't and doesn't are the contractions form. So don't is do not and doesn't is does not. Examples. Mark studies French. He doesn't or does not study English. That is the negative sentence. Sarah play volleyball. The negative sentence could be she doesn't play soccer. Tom likes to dance salsa. And the negative sentence is he doesn't like to dance merengue. Here we have some more examples. Mark and Tom study French. They don't or they do not study English. We play volleyball. We don't play soccer. I like to dance salsa. I don't like to dance merengue. Okay, let's do these exercises, guys. We have to write either do, does, or doesn't, don't. Let's start. You like strawberries. You have to pay attention on the subject. So, you, we used, and there is an interrogative form, so we have to use do. Exactly. We play football every day. This is not an interrogative sentence. So we use don't. She, it is a third person. Very good. So we have to use, and it is an interrogative. We have to use do or does. If it is a third person, exactly, you have to use does. And they go to the school. It is an interrogative sentence and you have the subject they, so we use do. Very good. He Again, it is interrogative sentence and a third person, so we must use does. Now, how I look, it interrogative sentence, so we have to use do. And the last one, guys, she. She, it is a third person, so we must use, and it is not an interrogative sentence, so we have to use doesn't. She doesn't like swimming. Okay, guys, very good. That is all for now. Bye bye. Take care, guys.